Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So, children, today is your Happy Faces Literacy period. Open the page number 31. So, children, today we are going to learn a new letter, which is letter I. And the phonic sound of I is E. And the phonic sound of I is E. Oh my God, look at here. कितना beautiful सा है. क्या है ये है iguana. What is his name? His name is iguana. His name is iguana. Repeat after me. His name is iguana. Iguana. His name is iguana. ये कहाँ रहता है? He lives in the forest. ये he भी हो सकता है, she भी हो सकता है, बट मैम अभी से क्या बोल रही है? He lives in the forest. Okay, so let's talk about the first question. Who lives in the forest? Forest में कौन रहता है? Iguana lives in the forest. Iguana कहाँ रहती है? Forest में रहता है. Next question. Where does iguana live? Iguana कहाँ रहती है? Forest में. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या था कि कौन रहता है फॉरेस्ट में? फॉरेस्ट में रहता है इग्वाना. और इग्वाना कहाँ रहता है? फॉरेस्ट में. ओके, इग्वाना लिव्स इन द forest. Now come to the third question. What is the common sound in iguana and in? Iguana and in. I, E, iguana. I, E, iguana. I, E, in. So, दोनों में कॉमन साउंड क्या है आपको बताना है. वो I और I यानी कि E. कॉमन साउंड क्या है? E. I says E. I says E. In says E. Okay. Now trace mama I and baby I with your finger. So let's start. Make a sleeping line, then a standing line, and then again a sleeping line. So easy peasy. First step, one sleeping line. Second step, a standing line. And third step, again sleeping line. Now come to the baby I. Phonic sound of I is E. Make a standing line. और standing line के just ऊपर एक छोटा सा डॉट. डॉट मैंने बिंदु. मैम ने आपको कराया है ना. So make a standing line and small dot. Okay children, do practice of it. Okay, take care. Bye bye.